In this video, we are going to be looking at pricing within AWS, and more specifically, creating an estimate for an EC2 instance and an S3 bucket. So firstly, let's go to calculator.aws, then let's click Create Estimate. We are going to search for EC2 and I'm going to choose the Ireland region in this case. So let's hit Configure. I'm going to stick with the Linux operating system. But depending on your use case, you might want to select other operating systems. I am going to go for one instance and for the type I will select a T3. Now I will select the T3 medium. There are similar types available, like the T3A. This example is an AMD chip. Then for the payment options, I am going to go with the standard on-demand instance type. But if your workload can handle interruptions, you might want to look at other plans such as spot instances. Here you can select the amount of discount you would like to assume. It also shows the average for your specific instance. So in this case, it is 57%. Other options you can configure are things like storage. I am going to leave this as the same in my case. You might want to change this. Then you can change the monitoring. You can add data transfer estimates as well. And other costs. So we'll hit Save and add this service for now. Then we will go and add another service. So let's do an S3 bucket within the same region. Now we will go for a standard S3 bucket. And we will go for 100 gigabytes a month. The amount of requests, we will put 1000 for both gets and puts. And for the data returned, we'll just put 10 for now. And scanned, again, we will put 10. Now you might want to tweak these values depending on your services, but for now we will keep that the same and add that service. Once we have added our two services, we will go to View Summary and here we can see the monthly cost individually for each item, along with a summary for the total monthly cost and a total yearly cost. And that is it. That is how you create estimates using the pricing calculator.